Hello children, today we are going to learn about rational numbers between two rationals. Okay, you know that the rational number between 1 and 3 is right 2. Next one, what is the rational number between 10 and 11? What is that? 10.5. Okay, next one, what is the rational number between 1 and 2? 1.5. What is the rational number between 1 and 3? 2. Okay, so how we get these rational numbers between a rational number? We can see that. See, suppose you know that rational number between 1 and 3. See, 1, 3. Rational number. So there is no denominator here by 1 and denominator 1. See here the denominators are equal and the numerators are 1 and 3. So what is the number between 1 and 3? It is 2 by 1. So 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 3 by 1. So these are the rational number. 2 by 1 is the rational number between 1 by 1 and 3 by 1. Suppose the next example, rational number between 5 and 7. 5 and 7. So it is 5, 7, no denominator, so you take 1, 1. Next one, here the denominators are equal, then we have to take the numerators 5 and 7. The number between 5 and 7 is 6. Therefore, 5 by 1, 7 by 1. Between these two, the rational number is 6 by 1. So therefore, 6 is the rational number between 5 and 7. So this can be done in another way, that is the average of 1 and 3 also. Okay, the average of 1 and 3. The average of 5 and 7, we get 6 here. The average of 1 and 3 is, we get 2. Right? So that is 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3 by 2. So what is the average formula? Sum of the quantities by number of quantities. Sum of the quantities is, what are the quantities here? 1 and 3. And number of quantities is 1 and 3 is 2. So 1 plus 3 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2, that is equal to 2. Next one, 5 and 7. 5 plus 7 by 2. So that is equal to 5 plus 7 is 12 by 2, that is equal to 6. Suppose if you take in the variables, so the average of A and B is A plus B by 2. A plus, the average of A and B is A plus B by 2. That means the rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into A plus B. So this formula is not only applicable to integers but also applicable for any rational numbers. Okay? Right. Next one, the rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2, and A plus B by 2 can also be written as 1 by 2 into A plus B. So using this formula, we can do some examples. Suppose example 1. Example 1. Right? Find the rational number between 7 and 9. Okay, now we know that the first one, A is equal to 7, take A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 9. Our formula is 1 by 2 into A plus B. Okay, so that is 1 by 2 into A is 7 plus B is 9. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 plus 9, 16. Now this is equal to 16 by 2, that is equal to 8. Okay, so between 7 and 9, 8 is there. Second example, find two rational numbers between 1 and 4. Okay, find two rational numbers. Right here a is equal to, first number a is equal to 1, b is equal to 4. Okay, what is our formula? 1 by 2 into a plus b. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4. That is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 4, 5. So that is equal to 5 by 2. That is equal to 4. The first number between 1 and 4 is 1 comma 5 by 2 comma 4. Okay, this is the first rational number. Now the second rational number can be found from 1 and 5 by 2 or 5 by 2 and 1 by 5 by 2 and 4. We can find the rational number between either from these two or from these two. Okay, now you write second rational number. First formula is 1 by 2 into a plus b. Okay, now 1 by 2 into a is 1 plus b is 5 by 2. Okay, now this can be written as 1 by 2 into, take LCM 2, so 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into 1 time 1 into 5, 5. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 7 by 2. So that is equal to 7 by 4. Okay, now the second rational number can be written as between 1 and 5 by 2 is 1 comma 7 by 4 comma, next one 5 by 2 comma 4. So these are the two rational numbers between 1 and 4. Got it, children? Okay, next one, find 10 rational numbers between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Okay, minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. By seeing this problem carefully, here the denominators are equal. Okay, if the denominators are equal, then we can write the rational numbers between minus 3 and 8. Okay, so this can be written as, generally we can write the rational numbers between are the numbers between minus 3 and minus 3 and 8 are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here the denominators are 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11. Okay, so now see how many are there between minus 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 rational numbers are there. Like this, we can write many rational numbers between two rationals. Okay. Okay, children, there is another method to find the rational number between two rationals. Let us suppose find the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, see here 3, 4, 3 and 4. So 3 can be written as 3 by 1, 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now you multiply and dividing with these two fractions with any number. Suppose 3 by 1 into 2 by 2. Next one, 3 by 1 into 3 by 3. Next one, 3 by 1 into 4 by 4. And so on. Next one, 4 by 1 into 2 by 2. 4 by 1 into 3 by 3. Next one, 4 by 1 into 4 by 4 and so on. Now, what we get here, 3 by 1 is 3 2s are 6 by 2. Next one 3 3s are 9 by 3. Next one 3 4s are 12 by 4 and so on. Next one 4 2s are 8 by 2. 4 3s are 12 by 3. Next one 4 4s are 16 by 4. Here 6 by 2 value is 3, 9 by 3 value is 3, 12 by 4 is 3, 8 by 2 is 4, 12 by 3 is 4, 16 by 4 is 4. Okay. Now first one 3 by 1 here. 3 by 1. Next here 4 by 1. Okay. Now we have to write the rational number between 3 and 4. Suppose here 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. Next pair is 6 by 2 and 8 by 2. 8 by 2. So what is the rational number between 6 by 2 and 8 by 2? Is 7 by 2. So this can be written as 3 by 1 comma 4 by 1. The rational number between these two is 7 by 2. So this is the first pair. Second one 9 by 3 and 12 by 3. 9 by 3 is 3, 12 by 3 is 4. So that is 3 by 9 by 3 is 9 by 3 is 3, 12 by 3 is 4. 12 by 3 is 4. Here the denominators are equal, therefore we can write 10 by 3 and 11 by 3. So these are the rational numbers. Next can be written as 12 by 4 and here 16 by 4. Here the denominators are equal, therefore write the rational numbers between 12 and 16. So that is 13 by 4 comma 14 by 4 comma 15 by 4. These are the rational numbers. Okay, like this also we can write many rational numbers between two rationals. Okay, next example, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. So 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Right? First you make the denominators into equal denominators. Okay, so for that what we have to do, 3 by 5 into multiply the first fraction with the second fraction denominator, that is 3 by 3, and 2 by 3 into multiply this fraction with the first fraction denominator, that is 5 by 5. Okay, now what we get, 3 3s are 9, by 5 3s are 15, and 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. Okay, now here the denominators are equal. Then we have to multiply again. We have to multiply the first fraction 19 by 15 with 12 by 12 and 10 by 15 with 12 by 12 again. Why we have to take only 12? We can take many numbers, but to get more numbers between 9 by 15 and 10 by 15, we have to multiply with 12 by 12 and 12 by 12 here. So 9 12s are 108 by 180 and 120 by 180. Now we can write the rational numbers between these two are 108 by 150, 180, 109 by 180, 110 by 180, 111 by 180, 112 by 180, 113 by 180, 114 by 180, 115 by 180, 116 by 180, 117 by 180, 118 by 180 and 119 by 180, 120 by 180. Okay, so and this one. So these are the rational numbers between 108 by 180 and 120 by 180. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 are there. Okay. So these are the rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay. Like this we can find the rational numbers. Okay. Understood, children? Okay. So do these problems as the homework. First one, find 5 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Second one, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Insert 3 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay. Thank you.